लॾे आयो आ मुंहिंजे पाड़े में।
Peace Khambar introduces Count Peter's building course of English under the supervision of Dr. Lashari.
पिटी का कमकार सब यारो मिलायो एड़ो यारो न पायो।
Learn the secrets of communication and rule the world.
सुनो लॾे आयो आ मुंहिंजे पाड़े में।
The course is designed with the consultation of the Sindh University professors. The course aims at enhancing for skills of language with special focus on spoken and understanding. The course is designed for students and professionals lacking in communication skills. The course activities: regular practice through computer, essay writing and criticism as per CSS standard, paragraph translation from Sindhi to English and vice versa, stories, dialogues and documentaries, regular article comprehension from dawn, regular presentation. So join us and know yourself. Dakhlan jari aahin. Classes will start from 20 May 2011. Address: Peace Institute of IT and English near Public School Khambar. Contact Abbas Khorejo 0300343425. Dadan Lashari 033371150312. Phone 07442113666. Websites: www.peacekhambar.com